So I grab a nice handful of sea moss, like that, you know. Okay. So I'm gonna separate it a little bit because it's kind of too much for the batch that I'm gonna make. So gonna take away some pieces and throw it back into the bag for the next time I make a batch of sea moss. I absolutely love sea moss, y'all. I got a story about what it did to me when I first took it, but we'll talk about that later. Just gonna pour some distilled water in there just to cover it. But I will say you will probably have to add a little bit more later because the sea moss expands like crazy, so it's sucking up all the water that you put in it. So just monitor that, and I kind of like let it soak for like 4 hours at least, or sometimes even overnight. Up to you. Okay, so some people rinse before soaking, but I do it after. I rinse thoroughly after. I mean, it's up to you what you want to do, but what I do is I rinse it after. And so I'll pour some water over it and massage it to get any residue off. And I do that maybe like 2 to 3 times until the water is clear. And then, yeah, it's a wrap from there. So I added more water eventually later, but I want to just say that you're gonna need a powerful blender because this stuff can kind of get kind of tough. It thickens up quickly, and yeah. Sea moss has so many benefits, like it's literally a miracle food. Listen, when I first took sea moss, let me know in the comments if you want me to share my sea moss story with y'all because it's for real, it's super dramatic and it lasted about 6 to 7 days, like, but I still continue to take it. But yeah, just let me know in the comments because I kind of really want to share that story anyway. So, I was in the process of making the smoothie, so I had some berries in that little half a cup, so that's what that is. But look how thick it is, y'all. Wow. Beautiful. To me.